Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. Tonight we are going to whip up some air fryer coconut shrimp. So I have a bag of large shrimp here, deveined and peeled with the tail on. And for the base coating, we're going to just use regular cornstarch here. I have it in the bag already, ready to go. And in the egg wash, I have egg, some coconut milk there, 2 tablespoons of honey, a little bit of brown sugar, and sprinkles of black pepper because I just can't help it. And there's nothing really on the shrimp except a little bit of black pepper. So after we dip it in the cornstarch and dip it in the egg wash, we're going to roll it around in this bowl, which is our breadcrumb and coconut flake mix here. We're going to spray it in the coconut oil spray and get it all prepped and ready to pop in the air fryer. Be right back, guys. Alright, so I have the shrimp all battered in the cornstarch in the bag. I'm going to take it out one by one and dip it in this liquid. Make sure it's coated all the way. And then I want to press it after I shake off the excess. Go ahead and press it in this breadcrumb mix. Make sure it's fully covered and pressed. And then I'll take my dry hand and put them on the tray. So let me get them all prepped and ready. Be right back in a few. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we're done prepping. And the coconut flakes and breadcrumbs stayed on there pretty well. So I'm going to spray with the coconut spray. I'm going to probably do these in 2 batches. And use them, maybe cook them for about 8 minutes. 4 minutes on each side. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Just set this for 10 minutes and I'll come back and check. Be right back. Okay, it's actually been 5 minutes. Ooh, nice and brown. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray these and get these flipped over. Be right back. Smells so good. Okay, I believe these shrimp are done. Nice and brown and toasty. Those tails are red. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put them on a plate and prepare the sauce. The sauce is a special treat, pina colada dip. So we'll be right back in a few minutes, guys. Almost there. Okay, guys, here goes our finished product. Nice and brown coconut shrimp. Ooh. So the pina colada dip. This was the first try. It may be a fail. We're gonna have a taste tester come by and tell us what it's working with. I got the recipe offline, so I don't know. It's kind of looking a little thin, but we'll see what happens. All right, Nunu, let's give it a taste.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna go in with some of the light skins and we're going to try the dip.
Be careful.
It's a little
so what's in the sauce? So what's in the sauce is pineapple chunks, Greek yogurt, coconut flakes, of course, and yeah, that's it. So what is the opinion on the sauce?
So the sauce,
well, maybe the shrimp should come first.
the shrimp is really good.
Okay, yay on the shrimp. Thumbs up.
The shrimp is good, like, but okay, so the sauce, I like the sauce. Like, I would dip my shrimps in the sauce. Like, I would probably do half and half because I'm weird like that. But I would say, you guys, try the sauce at your own risk.
Risk?
Yeah. It's a little different. I think maybe we should do a regular yogurt next time instead of the Greek, because I think that it has that Greek yogurt taste, if you guys know what I mean. It's very thick and gritty. I don't know if that's the word, but yeah. So I would probably try maybe the regular yogurt next time, maybe even a pineapple flavored yogurt or something like that. Oh,
just cheat. Okay.
Or a coconut flavored yogurt, because that's what it's kind of, you gotta fetch for the pina colada taste. That's what I was saying.
Okay, so we'll just stick with the shrimp. Okay, guys.
Stick with the shrimp with some, like, maybe some sweet and spicy.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's try it with the sweet chili sauce.
Yeah, sweet chili sauce.
Okay, let's just do that.
That would taste good.
That's a great idea.
I'm about to go try it.
Okay, so there you have it, guys. Coconut shrimp. And we're gonna just bump the pina colada dip and move on to the sweet chili sauce. All right, thanks for joining. See you next time.